welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Katrina and today I have another weekly grocery haul and meal plan as usual to share with you all. But exciting news, I have just uploaded a brand new cleaning video over on my cleaning channel, Katrina Marie. So if you haven't checked that out already, definitely go ahead and check out the link in the description box down below and head on over there and say hi to me in the comments of my new video. It really helps my channel out a ton and I would appreciate it so much. But if you are ready to get some new dinner ideas or meal inspiration for your week ahead, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up and let's get into the meal plan. So on Monday night, we're having vegetable soup. I'm still not sure yet if we're going to have cauliflower soup or taco soup, but I will leave that up to the kids to decide on Monday night depending on what they feel like. Then on Tuesday night, we're having Taco Tuesday. If you were here last week, I brought some crispy cauliflower from the shops. I did try to make my own a few weeks ago in a video, and to be honest, the recipe was absolutely delicious, except the crisp on the cauliflower just wasn't as good as I expected it to be. So these store-bought ones, I'm hoping will have a better crisp. So we're going to try them out in tacos this week and see how they go. Then on Wednesday night, we're having lasagna with salad. On Thursday night, we're having ravioli bolognese. On Friday night, we're just going to have leftovers. Normally when we have two heavy pasta type dishes like lasagna and ravioli, there is normally a bowl or two left over that's plenty to feed us for. And then on Saturday night, we're having quiche with just some chips. Then on Sunday night, we're having Old Faithful fish with sheep hen vegetables. But that is everything that is on our meal plan this week. So I hope you got some new dinner ideas out of that. I'm going to go ahead and grab those groceries and then I will let you know what is in our grocery haul. So I am back with the groceries, and the grocery haul that I actually ended up picking up is a lot different to the grocery haul that I ordered online. They made quite a few changes to my order, which I am not complaining about at all. They were actually really good changes, which I will get to in a minute, but I certainly did not order 4 loaves of bread. I ordered 2 and they refunded one of them, so I went in and brought another loaf, and then somehow there was 3 in the bag already. So this has happened to us a couple times now, and I don't know where the confusion is from, whether it's on their end or mine, but anyways, free bread is free bread and we're not complaining. We will just chuck a couple in the freezer. But I did go ahead and grab this one wholemeal bread for my kids. It does look like white bread, but it is wholemeal. Sorry, they're all upside down. But if you were here last week, I was saying how I want to change my kids over from white bread to wholemeal bread, and I started them on this one here, except the difference between this wholemeal and this one is massive. Like, the look of it is way different. So changing them over from white bread to wholemeal bread, I think I should have started with a more basic wholemeal so that they could slowly make the changeover. Anyways, I've gone ahead and grabbed that for them. Hopefully they take to that a little bit better. I'm sure they will. And then I've just I grabbed 1 loaf of this for myself for breakfast and lunches and things, except now we have 3. I've also grabbed 2 of these beef ravioli packets this week. I was actually the one that made the mistake here, so I thought these were the bigger packets, but I'm pretty sure these are the ones that just serve 2, so we will probably have to cook both of those bags at once to feed our family, but that's okay. We still have a few in the freezer anyway, so it can wait until next week. That's not really a big deal. I grabbed some Messy Monkeys chocolate crunch cereal for my youngest. She loves that cereal and we just ran out. And I also grabbed 2 packets of nappies this week. They were down to $9 a pack, which is half price. They're normally $18, so I definitely wanted to stock up on those while I could. My daughter's at like that age where she's in between sizes, so it's a real pain. I can't just stock up majorly on the one size because I just don't know when she's going to move up to the next size of nappies. So I've just grabbed a size 4, and then this packet here is a size 5 just in case she does move up in the next couple of weeks while we're still using them. I grabbed a massive 24 pack of toilet paper back there. I grabbed some toothpaste as well. I love these stand-up toothpaste because we have one of those mirrors in our bathroom where there's like a thin shelf that we can stand things on. If you've seen my cleaning channel, you will know what I'm talking about. But the like little squeezy tube things, the ones that lay down and don't stand up, they are just such a pain to put away in that cupboard, and I hate having them in the drawer because they get messy and things like that. So I love having these ones. They are a lot more expensive though. I think this was like $8 something, but it is worth the extra money in my opinion. I also grabbed 2 2-litre bottles of our usual A2 light milk. We've been going through that like crazy lately. My 2 kids are loving hot chocolates. As soon as they wake up every morning now, they've cottoned on to the fact that I have a coffee every morning and that they want the same sort of thing. So I make them a hot chocolate, and that is using up a whole lot more milk lately. I've grabbed some of these stand and stuffed taco boats. My kids find it a lot easier to eat out of these than to eat out of a like taco shell or a wrap. They can't quite hold those yet. My kids are 2 and 4 if you're new here, and this just is a whole lot easier for them to use. But I did see these mini tortilla boats this week and I thought they were super cute. I've actually never used these before, but these might be a whole lot easier for them to hold as well. And then I just grabbed the usual tortilla boats that we normally use, and so I'll give them the choice and see what they want. But I just thought those mini ones were super cute. Our fish was half price again this week, so I am super excited about that. These are usually $10 a box for the 6 fish fillets, except they were $5 a box this week. So whenever they go half price, I stock up because we pretty much have fish and sheet pan vegetables every single week. It's our go-to quick and easy dinner idea that we like to throw together when I really just can't be bothered cooking, but it is still super healthy to an extent, I suppose. These are lightly battered, but it's not too thick, and then I always pair it with a whole bunch of broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, and just healthy vegetables on the side, so it weighs itself out. Then I also just grabbed this huge party pack of Doritos this week. I was going to put bean and lentil nachos on at the meal plan, except I just didn't end up putting it on the meal plan. I don't know why, but if I don't feel like one of the meals this week, we'll probably swap it out for nachos. The next thing that I grabbed this week was just some of these little Wiggles yogurts for my kids. We actually got tickets to the Wiggles for my kids next year, and we are super excited about that, but they don't know about that yet, so hopefully we can give that to them as like an early, or I suppose it'll be a late Christmas present. But these are, what's this? Win a chance to meet the Wiggles at their concert in your state. So who knows, maybe we will win more tickets. That would be exciting. Anyways, I also grabbed some of these mini rice cakes. My youngest absolutely loves these mini rice cakes covered in the triple berry yogurt, but my 4-year-old loves these chocolate covered ones. So I grabbed one packet of those for him. Actually, I lied. This is one of the other things that was sort of not right in our order. I ordered 5 packets of these triple berry yogurt ones, and they ended up giving us 4 and 1 of these milk chocolate ones. So basically my shopper today did my job for me. I forgot to get them for my son and they remembered. So I am really thankful for this swap out actually, and I am definitely not complaining at all about it. This little area here is just some extra chocolate and snacks that I grabbed. So these Atkins low carb, they're sort of like Kit Kat bars, but they're really low carb, low sugar, all that stuff. They're really good for diabetics actually. When I was on a diabetic diet when I was pregnant with my second, I ate these a lot. Although you can't snack much when you're a diabetic, well, I couldn't in my case anyway. I don't know if it's different for normal diabetes compared to gestational diabetes, except I could only eat every 2 hours, or I don't know, I can't remember too much. It was a couple years ago, but it was a difficult time. But anyways, these Kit Kats were lifesavers. They taste really good. I've tried a few of the Atkins brand sort of chocolates, and I'm not a fan of all of them, but these ones were definitely worth it. So these were half price this week anyway, which is why I grabbed 2 packs of those. They're normally $7, and they come with 3 little packs of 2 like little Kit Kats in there, and yeah, they were down to $3.50 a pack. So I grabbed 2 of those. I also grabbed this massive packet of Kinder chocolates. It has 16 in there, so they are going to last a really long time, and this was only $2.75 for the whole packet. They were half price. We've got them for that before, and they seriously lasted forever, because I don't really give my kids chocolate too often, except for if it's like in like treats like this. Sometimes they don't seem as bad to me as something like this, but anyways, I like to give them a treat every now and then, and these are a big hit in this house. So I am happy to see that they were so cheap, which is why I snatched those up really quick. And this was probably the most exciting thing about my order. So if you've been here a while, you probably know that I love Caramilk. The Hokey Pokey Caramilk is by far the best. I apologize if I'm talking super fast tonight, but it is boiling here, and this house is just so hot, and I feel like everything's going to defrost. So I really need to try to get through this grocery haul as quick as possible tonight, so bear with me. But this Caramilk block, I actually ordered a Caramilk bar, which was only $1. It was half price down from $2, except I don't know whether they sold out or whether they just read the order wrong, but they gave me this whole block for $1. I'm not complaining at all about that one. I've said that about everything so far, but I'm just so happy with this week's order. Nothing went wrong really. Everything just went in my favor. But speaking of things going right, we need to speak about something that went wrong. So you guys know, if you've been here a while, my partner is obsessed with this spaghetti sauce with beef in a tin thing. He loves it, and apparently I have one job around here, and that is to make sure that these are fully stocked at all times in the cupboard, and last week we ran out, so that caused a little bit of drama, but I've fixed it. This week I've gone ahead and grabbed 10 tins. I probably should have grabbed 20 in hindsight, because these things never go on special. They are always $2.80 a tin, but seriously, the drama this caused, I will never forget his spaghetti sauce with beef ever again. Next thing that I grabbed was just this big 2 kilo beef lasagna for lasagna night with salad. I grabbed 2 of these Proactive Butteries. Well, I actually grabbed a large one of these, and they obviously didn't have any, so they gave me 2 smaller ones, which actually works out to be more, I'm pretty sure. So again, not complaining about that. Moving over to the healthier end of things, I just grabbed 1 punnet of strawberries this week. I'm pretty sure they're getting expensive again, so I didn't go overboard with those. And the kids, they're not really loving them at the moment, so they're just for me. I grabbed some more basil this week, again, just to make up some of that green pasta. If we don't stick to the meal plan, I wanted to make up some of that avocado and spinach pasta. We didn't get around to making it last week. The basil actually went off before I got a chance to, so we had to throw that out. So I just grabbed some more in case we feel like that same pasta recipe this week. Again, I'll leave the link to that pasta sauce in the description box down below. I honestly couldn't recommend it enough. I've spoken about it for like 3 weeks now because it seriously just tastes that good. I've grabbed a big bunch of bananas here for the kids to snack on. I also grabbed a Caesar salad kit here. I actually grabbed that one for myself just for lunch one day, because I also grabbed this massive lettuce, which doesn't look too good on top, but it's not bad on the inside. But I grabbed this lettuce to pair with the lasagna, and then yeah, I just got this one for myself to have for lunch. I also grabbed this big kilo box of apples. My 4-year-old goes through apples like candy, so we can honestly never have enough of those. And then my 2-year-old goes through mandarins like candy, so I just grabbed 2 bags of those. My 2-year-old and myself will get through those before the end of the week easy. I also grabbed a big block of Colby cheese this week, just in case we do end up making up those Doritos, but I also just like to grab the block and grate it up myself, just because it tastes so much fresher. And the last thing that I just added into the cart was a cherry ripe for my partner. Okay friends, so that is everything that is in this week's grocery haul and meal plan. I hope you got some new dinner ideas out of today's video, and if you did, please go ahead and leave this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a ton, and don't forget to head on over to my cleaning channel, Katrina Marie, and check out my new cleaning video. I will be uploading weekly from now on over there as well as over here, so definitely head on over there and check it out. I would appreciate it so much. But until next week, I hope you all have a fantastic week, and I'll be back here again really soon with a brand new grocery haul. Bye.